If I were starting completely from scratch and opening a new cleaning business in 2024, this is what I would do, knowing what I know now. We've been operating our business since the 1980s, and as we say in our podcast, we knew nothing. We did everything by trial and error, but now we know better. We know what it takes, and I'm going to share step by step what I'd do if I were in your shoes now starting a brand new business. Before we get into this, I want to address the people that are going to say, sounds like you don't want me to start a business, but I really do. What I really want is for you to take it seriously and know that it's possible to succeed even when you don't know everything. But it takes grit and commitment. So why sugarcoat this? Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1, research. The resources available to us in 2024 are light years ahead of the resources that were available to us in the 1980s. The first thing I would do to start my cleaning business is research. What are the competitors doing and saying? What areas are best to start a business? That's right, look outside of your own backyard. Are there good coaches and mentors that I can count on? Well, let's check that out. Number 2, get a job. If you don't know the cleaning business, you need to get to know it and fast. Find the best local cleaning company and get a job. Learn the good and the bad of the business and the work. Don't start something without knowing something about it, and avoid the I hired the guy that knows everything, or how hard could it be? Number 3, have the money to weather the storm. We're coming up on tax season and most people are getting something back. Before you go spend that return on a trip to Vegas because you deserve it, save it because you're gonna need it. Starting a business is expensive, and it's way more expensive than you think it's gonna be. Whatever you think it is, times that by 3, and it may still not be enough. Number 4, set up the legal end. You need a corporation, you need a business bank account, insurance, and. What you really need is a lot of time to learn what you do not know, or the money to hire an attorney or an accountant, or both. These are 2 people that will prove to be some of the most important people in your life. If your money isn't right, you're dead. If you break laws, even the ones you don't know about, you're gonna get into some serious trouble. Number 5, get your marketing set up. You need a business name, website, business cards, uniforms, and well, just about everything to be taken seriously. Yes, you can start your business with just a card and a uniform shirt, but if you want to land real business, you need a website. You can then build off of that with reviews, testimonials, and case studies. Always remember that the best marketing, though, is a happy client. Number 6, hit the streets. There is no easy way to grow a business. If you want to get new accounts, you need to go old school. Avoid the we will get leads for you companies and go door to door. Number 7, price it right. When you finally get the chance to meet with a prospect, don't become the low price leader. Price it right. Know your worth and price the job correctly. If you're pricing too high, you will know quickly, but if you price it too low, it will take time and a lot of pain and suffering, losing money day after day. Be smart and build your production rate based on your ability to clean spaces in a reasonable amount of time, and ask for what you are worth. Number 8, have an onboarding process and training. Once you get the new business, you're going to need employees. It is likely that your friends and family will be the first ones to help you out. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't have a process for onboarding them legally and a training program that they have to go through to be ready to clean. Don't take shortcuts on this. Do the paperwork and train them completely to your expectations. Number 9, know how to fire someone. If you're going to hire people, you need to know how to fire them too. Use the appropriate paperwork and legal processes mandated by the state and the federal government. Refer to number 4. Get your legal stuff done first. Number 10, have a visitation schedule. A mistake made way too often is managing by complaint. Have a proactive schedule created to visit your customers, the buildings for quality assurance inspections, and your employees for training and supervision. Otherwise, you will be playing a game of whack-a-mole. That is not a fun business model. These are the 10 things that I would recommend a new business owner consider when starting a business in 2024. I encourage you to watch all our Training with Us videos as part of your research, and leave a question in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you later.